Hi, guys. I am Lori and welcome to our online video presentation for LightDarkDet, a light and dark detection API. More details you may find on our website here. But for now, let us just start. Agenda. What is LightDarkDet? Which are the benefits? How to use it? Input and output JSON strings. Pricing packages. What is LightDarkDet? LightDarkDet is a light and dark detection API using an input photo powered by artificial intelligence and powerful cloud infrastructure. Target audience. This API is meant for IT developers which are making apps to recognize light and dark in a photo taken by a camera. Domains of using it. Surveillance cameras for household, traffic, parking, roads, automotive, etc. Which are the benefits? Automated process. All processes are automated. You just have to follow the required rules for getting a high accuracy reading. Easy to integrate in your apps. We have multiple sample source codes presented on our website written in different programming languages which will help any developer to easily integrate the API in the apps. Chat support 24/7. If you have questions or need some help, we are glad to quick answer you and offer the best we got. You own commercial copyright. Call our API in your apps and feel free to sell your applications without any extra fee. How to use it? Register a new account on our website with real data. Log in to our website, go to pricing and click on Try It Now blue button. Construct your input JSON string as instructed. Send post request with your input JSON body and required headers to our API. Get JSON response from our API which contains recognized light and dark from photo. Process our API response and use it as you wish in your apps. You own commercial copyright for use our API. Input and output JSON strings. You have at the left side the input JSON string which contains the input photo as base 64 encoded string or as URL from the web. At the right side you have the output JSON string which contains predictions of light and dark made with certain probability score as you may see here. Pricing packages. Common features. Unlimited devices. Get light and dark in one photo. Get confidence score for recognized light and dark in the photo. Administration console. Premium support through online chat and/or tickets. Very supportive help and quick responses. For the free 7 days trial you have 50 daily requests, no copyright. For monthly and yearly tiers you have 10,000 predictions per month, commercial copyright. Monthly tier is $80 and yearly tier is $816 with 15% discount included. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am Lori and I am looking forward to visit us on our website here. Have a super nice day.